Um, Welcome to this C++ tutorial. Here we're going to explain output statements. Basically, here is a header file. This provides the compiler the necessary information to handle input and output. Basically, this statement down here using namespace std basically just gives simplifies the program so it only accesses the standard C++ library. If we go down to the next line, here it's a function call. Basically, this is the main part of the program. This is where this is the main part of the program. This is where we will enter all our necessary code. So basically, everything happens within here. In other videos, you may see that we create other functions, which basically simplifies the program and are very useful in very large programs. So basically, if we go down to here, this cout statement, which says hello world, basically prints this statement to the screen. So when I compile the program in a minute, it'll basically print it to the screen. This \n here basically means a new line, so it drops down to a new line. So these two statements are not on the same line. So if I didn't have this is very basic, would be on the same line as this. So if we go down to the next statement where it says this is a very basic C++ program, space is very easy to create. Basically, if we have it here, these little don't describe them, like arrows, basically mean it's printed on the same line. And basically we could put two statements, so we could write another statement here, and it will display it on without the \n, it will display it on the same line. This is basically just makes the code a lot easier to read, and a lot more concise for the compiler. Here we see this bit here. This basically creates a space between the two statements. So if I didn't have this, these would be right next to, right next to each other. So basically, all I literally did is put two quotation marks and hit the enter key, space key. Well, first space key. Need to explain why we use quotation marks. So basically, with any output statement, we must always put them in quotation marks. I don't know why. It's just how it works, and we must always have these semicolons at the end of most statements. Every is a semicolon like this. Okay. Next line, the sin dot get, the two brackets. So basically another function call. Basically this waits till the user presses enter before the program ends. Basically if I didn't have this, the program would run